Gather around, my friends, and let me transport you back to the ancient sands of Egypt, to a time when cunning and strategy turned the tides of battle. This is the tale of the Battle of Pelusium in 525 BCE, where the Persians employed a most unusual and ingenious stratagem, using cats to conquer the unconquerable. The land of Egypt, a realm of ancient wonders and mighty pharaohs, stood proud and defiant. Its cities gleamed under the desert sun, and its warriors were as fierce as the Nile in flood. But on the horizon, a new threat emerged: the vast and formidable Persian Empire, led by the shrewd and ambitious King Cambyses II. Determined to bring Egypt under Persian control, Cambyses marched his army across the burning sands, aiming to seize the gateway to Egypt, Pelusium. This fortified city, guarding the eastern entrance to the kingdom, was the key to Egypt's heart. The Egyptians, under their brave pharaoh Psamtik III, prepared to defend their land. They fortified the walls of Pelusium and gathered their troops, ready to repel the invaders. But little did they know, Cambyses had a plan that would turn their own beliefs against them. You see, the ancient Egyptians revered cats, holding them sacred to the goddess Bastet. To harm a cat was a grave offense, punishable by death. Cambyses, ever the strategist, saw an opportunity in this reverence. He ordered his soldiers to gather as many cats as they could find. The Persian warriors, shields adorned with painted images of Bastet, advanced towards Pelusium, each carrying a cat in their arms or marching behind a line of feline companions. As the Persian army approached the city walls, the Egyptians were taken aback. They saw their sacred animals among the enemy ranks and feared the wrath of their gods. Reluctant to shoot arrows or throw spears lest they harm the cats, the Egyptian defenders hesitated. With their defenses compromised, the Persians stormed the city. The Egyptians, caught between their devotion to their gods and the advancing enemy, were overwhelmed. Pelusium fell swiftly, and the path to Egypt lay open. King Cambyses II entered Egypt triumphantly, having conquered not just with the might of his army, but with the brilliance of his strategy. The Egyptians, now under Persian rule, marveled at the cunning of their conqueror. The tale of the Battle of Pelusium lives on, a testament to the power of understanding one's enemy and turning their strengths into weaknesses. In the theater of war, it is often not the strongest who prevail, but the wisest. Let this story remind us that cleverness and respect for one's adversaries can achieve what sheer force alone cannot.